Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this time we are going to unbox or unwrap the Mi Wi-Fi Plus. Now this is basically a repeater, which is a USB repeater. You just plug it into a wall charger, and then it will extend the range of your current Wi-Fi. So this can be used with anything. Basically you can use it with your GeoFi, your Geo device, or your regular router. It can connect to any of them. Now if you have seen my previous video of the Mi router, that has more functions than this. If you haven't seen that, if you haven't seen the unboxing of that, you can click on that link and then you can see that video also. Basically this is the smaller brother of that, but this can only do a repeater function. The router can do more functions than that. I will put the video later on for the router. It's still in testing. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Now you can connect it to a phone with adapter, micro OTG cable, and then use it that way. But this cannot be accessed by the phone, so I'll show you that also. Basically I use it with a power bank. I just connect it to a power bank and then I can roam around with it wherever I want. I can extend the range of the Wi-Fi. I don't have to be in a certain place like the router, the regular ones that you get, the extenders or repeaters. They plug into a socket, a wall socket, and then extend the range from there. This one you have a flexibility of putting it onto a power bank and then extend the range from wherever you feel like. So there are times when you don't want a Wi-Fi signal in a certain area, but maybe there's a party at home or people are at home and they want signal in that area. Like if you want it to go to your garden, this can extend it till there because it's got a power bank. I mean, you can connect it to a power bank. It is pretty flexible. So that is the main use for this. So let's remove this from the packaging. Now the price for this is $8.99. The price may go up, I mean, it won't go up. Let me just see the price on this. Okay, it says $9.99, so it won't go beyond $9.99. That's the MRP. Right now it's for $8.99 from the Mi store. You can get it cheaper. Maybe there's a sale that'll go on, then you might get it cheaper. You might get it cheaper online in other websites also. So that's it basically. It's unboxed, it's done. There's nothing much. You can straight away see the Wi-Fi Plus from the case itself, from the cover itself. So this is the device. It's pretty sturdy. This is the USB port. Now one good thing about this is it's not like this. You can move it to wherever, whichever side you want to, and it's pretty flexible. And the build quality is pretty good. Only thing is I don't like white colored product much because it gets dirty soon. But I'm okay. But it's a really nice looking device. Now first let me just show you how it starts with a phone itself. So I just plug this in. Okay, now I'll connect this to the phone. Now okay, I hope you're able to see the orange light. So there's an orange light lit up. Now on the phone there's nothing, no notification, so it doesn't really connect with the phone. It has no connection with the phone. It just takes the power from the phone and switches on. So there's no data connection involved. So even if you connect it to a laptop, it's not going to do anything. I mean, you cannot use this as a Wi-Fi dongle or anything. I'll be testing it in different scenarios. I'll be connecting it to a laptop and show you the test later on. So this is just to show you that you can even use your phone to activate this. Let me remove this, put it to a power bank, which will be the real scenario that you'll use. So keep the phone aside. Now all I have to do is plug it into a power bank and it'll start up. So whichever position you want to keep it in, you can just keep it that way. So I'll just keep it here like this. Now you need a phone to access this. Okay, now let's take a look at the MI app. So the app is named MI Home. It's also available for iOS. The only difference is in Android you'll see the name MI Home. In iOS I could not see the name. I recognized it by the icon. So it's the first item that will show up when you search with MI Home as the search name. But once you open it, it's the same. Now let's open it up, and first you'll have to go to profile and then login. Now let's add a device. Now once you try to add device, now you see my Wi-Fi is not on. When I try to add, it'll ask me to switch on the Wi-Fi. So I'll go into settings, switch on Wi-Fi, and I'll connect to my Wi-Fi network. Ken knows more. Now it'll show me a device straight away. This is the device. Now I'll click on that. It'll ask me to put in the password for the Wi-Fi network. It'll automatically give me the Wi-Fi name. Now if I drop down, it'll show me all the Wi-Fi networks around. So if I want to log into a different one, for example this one, it'll ask me for the password. I don't want to connect to that. I want to connect to Ken Knows More, and then next. Now it'll set it up. So what it's doing is it's taking the settings from the router and putting it onto the MI device. Now we'll be doing settings later on. I'll make a different video for that. In that we'll see how to use it as a different network altogether, and how to use it as the same network. Like there are times when you want to use this as a different network where the name is different completely. Like if you want to name it as my room, or the hall, or the kitchen, something like that. So they can be renamed accordingly. So I'm done with this. I'll just create a shortcut and done. And that's my device. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe, hit the like button and do comment. And I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.